Hi mate. Today we will show you how to use our order website for the dealers. Firstly, you access the link, bbi.vn. Click menu icon on the top to open the categories, then choose Dealers. The website will redirect to the dealer's private landing page, using ID and password that provided for you to log in. Don't forget to stick "Remember Me" for immediately log in at next time. After successful login, for changing the password, click menu icon, choose the third category, then click the second button. Roll to the bottom. There are 3 blank spaces. The first one is the current password. The next one is the new password. Confirm your new password at the last one. Click the red button to save the change. Hint that the password must be at least 12 characters. For extra security, use uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Click menu icon again, choose the first category to back to the home page. There are 2 product filters for you. The brand filter above the red line. Click on the brand logos, their main products will be shown. The filter below red line is the kinds of product. They are half helmet, open face, full face, modular, MX helmet and apparel, gloves, visor, fixing accessories and others. For example, we would like to order LS2 Thunder. Method 1. Click on LS2 logo, then easily choose LS2FF 805 Thunder. Method 2. Click on full face icon, then choose like that. By the way, you can also find it by using the searching tool. At shopping interface, slide product left or right to choose the graphics of this model. As same as, slide up or down for choosing sizes. 1 of 3 means there are 3 available graphics, and 4 available sizes as well. First you choose the graphic model, then size. Type the quantity you need, or click on the plus symbol. After that, click on the red button. The red button means add to cart. Check the number on the cart for sure that the products have added. Another example, ordering a Yohei visor. Click on visor icon, then select Yohei. Slide left or right to choose Yohei model. Next, slide up and down to select the visor colors. One more example, ordering a 613B chin guard. Click on Fixing Accessories icon, then choose Zeus. Slide left or right to find 613B model. Slide up or down to choose the chin guard. You can also review the order for quickly editing by click on the cart icon. Click on the cart when you finish the order. Next, roll down and click the red button to check the order. Roll down to check the order again. At the order footer you can see 2 boxes on the left and 1 on the right. The first one means continuing to shopping. When you change the quantity on your orders, don't forget to click on the second box to update your order. The third box on the right means clear the cart. Check the total price and click the orange button to move on the payment. At the payment method, please choose billing address used for the previous order to select your information. The address list was created to autofill your payment. If you have anything to change, please tell us to update it for the next time. Text your note to the blank box for us to perfectly making the order. Roll down to the bottom. Select the payment method you want, by internet banking or by cash. And finally click on the red button to finish your order. Please tell us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day.